Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of March, it is the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video, talks about how to enter that one. I also have giveaways for our 800 subscriber, giveaways for St. Patrick's Day giveaway. I have all sorts of fun stuff going on. All the links will be in this description box down below. I've already started setting stuff aside for our 900, and I have a huge one for our 1000th subscriber, which features a Jeffree Star sold out palette. That's in our 1000th giveaway, so help us get there. So today we are talking iPsy. This is the iPsy Glam Bag. It's the regular one. It's $12 a month. This is probably going to be my last one for a little bit. I've needed to roll in the expenses like so many of you guys right now are doing the same. That's what I needed to do. So for at least a little bit, this is going to be our last one. And I'm kind of sad about that because I like the Glam Bag. So let's dive in. It's, like I said, it's $12 a month, ships out monthly. It's usually a bag and like 5 or 6, mainly deluxe size samples. Every once in a while they will throw in a full size in there. So let's find out what's in here. And I do like with iPsy, you can do their add-ons. And so that's one of what and sometimes they have really good add-ons for like $3, $6, $9, depending on the product. So one of the add-ons that I picked up, actually I only picked one add-on up, and I was so surprised to find it there, is Tatcha. Love me some Tatcha. They are amazing. It's high-end skincare. So this little bottle itself, so this is the Tatcha water cream. This little bottle itself retails for $20. And it's only 10 milliliters and 0.34 of an ounce. So what skin types this is good for is normal, oil, combination, sensitive, basically everybody. It is an oil-free anti-aging water cream that releases a burst of skin-improving Japanese nutrients, powerful botanicals, and optimal hydration for poreless-looking skin. I have done a Tatcha mask in the past, and I also have the Tatcha mist, but I haven't had any of their creams, so I'm so excited for this. It is a solution for dryness, pores, dullness, and uneven texture. Here's what the inside kind of looks like. Here it is on the hand. Don't mind the red. I was doing some swatches before of pink, and it kind of stained my hand too. But my hands are so, oh my God, you guys. My hands are so dry from all of the washing, all the antiseptics. They're just dry and cracked and gross. This, oh, it feels so good on the hands, you guys. I can't wait to put it all over my face. But even just on my hands right now that are just like all of yours, going through so much right now. Love it. So let's find out what else is in here. Everything else came in this cute little iPsy bag. I think this is my favorite one that they've done. It's a really sturdy bag, and it doesn't feel flimsy or anything like that. It's got this bright neon green on the inside with the iPsy logo here. It does on the back of it say 100th iPsy Glam Bag. So I wonder if this is the 100th one that they've done. Cool. If you guys know that, let me know in the comments down below. So this is the Lottie London. It's a shimmer squad highlighter in the shade Good Girl. It does retail in its quad shade for $10.99. And why they say you'll love it is find your best light every time with this champagne hued highlighter. This ultra blendable powder formula goes on evenly to give you an out of this world glow, no filter required. This buildable powder lets you create any luminous look from a natural sheen to a full-on strobe effect. Shout out to animal lovers, this glow getter is vegan and cruelty free. Little bit about the brand. Insta beauty addict Lottie London is inspired by vloggers, bloggers, and street style stars you love from IG, inclusive and conscious, 100% cruelty free. Let's open her up. So it comes in this cute little thing like this. Here's what the shade looks like. And let's just put a little bit of this on. I've already got some highlighter on, so I'll just add a little more. Ooh, that's really pretty. Cute. Love, love, love it. This one is from Hanalei Company. I actually already own this one. It is the KUKUI Lip Balm in Island Mint. It does retail for $6. And why they love it, even if it's spring break in Maui seems far away, you can channel island vibes with this fresh scented lip balm that will give you the healthiest lips ever. I wouldn't mind sitting, I was gonna say I wouldn't mind sitting on a beach right now, but everybody stay home. I have to tell you about this quote that I heard today. It goes something along the lines like this. Our grandparents went to war to protect you. Now you stay at home and sit on that couch to protect all of us. Love it, love it. So I was gonna say, wouldn't mind sitting on a beach. How about let's all sit on a beach once this crisis passes. Then we can be sitting on a beach. Don't be doing it right now. Anyway, kiss chapped lips goodbye. This balm is infused with moisturizing KUKUI oil straight from Hawaii to relieve dryness and flaking. Nourishing coconut oil smooths lines and softens roughness to leave your lips looking and feeling peak pretty. This fresh minty flavor is addictive. You won't be able to stop swiping it on. Seriously. The cruelty-free and natural formula is made without bad-for-you ingredients like parabens and phthalates. About the brand, skincare infused with the spirit of aloha, using unique blends of native Hawaiian botanicals like papaya, kiwi oil, and cane sugar. Hanalei aims to heal and protect with products as lush as the rainforest that inspired them. As always, the formulas are 100% cruelty-free. Love it. So because I already have one of these, exact same one, I'm throwing it in one of the giveaways for you guys that's I've got upcoming. And I've got, like I said, I've got some big ones coming up. From Skone Cosmetics is the Brow Wand in the shade Peanut Butter. And why they love it, it does retail for $20, and this is the full size. Why they love it is a pomade-like formula with the precision of a pencil. This wand is the best of both worlds. Love the feathered brow look. This creamy waterproof formula fills brows in with a natural looking finish that lasts all day. Brush hairs into place with the spoolie side before building it up. Like your spoolie side is over here. It's all sealed. And I'll tell you in a minute why I'm not going to open it. Brush hairs into place with the spoolie side before building out your brows. It also works to diffuse any heavy-handed strokes. A little bit about the brand. Fabulous, feminine, luxurious. Intensify your beauty with Skone Cosmetics. Bold, high quality pigments with some serious staying power. And the reason, you'll see in just a second because I'll insert a picture of this. The reason I'm not going to unseal this is because remember it was in the shade Peanut Butter? And it's literally kind of like that color of tone, very light brown hair. Don't have light brown hair, so I would rather put this in a future giveaway for you guys. You guys, they are going all out in here. So far we've had 2 full-size products, lip product, and then this was also full-size, so that's $26. And they put another Tatcha product in here. So far, $46, you guys, for your $12 bag. This has got to be like maybe their 100th bag to go all out on this. I've never seen them do that. I am shocked. I am pleased. It's wow. So this is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. Remember, this one was the water cream, and this is the Dewy Skin Cream. The size, little tiny guy, remember, retails for $20. Why you'll love it. True to its name, the luxurious cream magically umps your skin's dew factor. It's ideal for dry, dull skin in need of some extra moisturizing love. Everybody's staying indoors. We all need a little bit of it's just drying out everybody's faces. We all need that little extra love right now. It's packed with ceramides, the building blocks for healthy skin, to reinforce your skin's protective barrier and trap moisture deep within the skin. Bicanoa algae acts as humectants to draw moisture from the air to your skin for an instant hydrating and plumping effect. Love that. That does both. Japanese purple rice extract doesn't just give the cream its pretty lavender tint, it gives your skin a gorgeous glow too. A little bit about the brand. It's rooted in classical Japanese beauty rituals. Tatcha remasters time-tested ingredients into clean formulas that transform inside and out. The result is at once a celebration of timeless wonder of Japan and magic within. Here's what the inside looks like. A really light purple. Doesn't really have a scent. Feels so good on my dry skin. I just put it right in here. Love, I can't believe that, you guys. I am shook that they actually put this in the bag itself. From Wander Beauty is a trip to Costa bronzer in Costa. So a full size of this it comes in a bronzer and a blush duo. Retails for $36. This is obviously just the bronzer here. Open it up for you here. And why you'll love it, no spring break plans, no problem. This powder bronzer gives you a just from the beach glow so you won't miss a thing. It's infused with vitamin E rich sunflower seeds oil to protect the skin from environmental damage, also known as pollution. Moisturizing plant extracts like sea buckhorn and lotus flower help hydrate thirsty skin for a smooth surface. Streaks, not today. This soft matte texture is ultra blendable and buildable for a natural looking glow. A little bit about the brand. Experiencing Wonderlust Wander Beauty is inspired by skin nourishing ingredients found around the world. This multitasking makeup products pull your look together in a snap, so you'll feel confident and beautiful when you're on the go. Here's just a little bit on the hand. Don't mind the red underneath. I was doing some swatches earlier. Just kind of rub some in. Pretty. Ooh, it does give a little clue. Love it. So I am super excited about this next product. It's from Yensa. I have loved everything that I've tried from this brand. It's a Skin On BC foundation in the shade Light Neutral. Full size of this does retail for $36. It's your BB cream plus your CC cream. Full coverage foundation with 8 super buildable essence. Plus it has an SPF of 40 in it. Love that. Don't rely just on the SPFs in your makeup. Make sure your moisturizer has an SPF in it as well. So this is a creamy foundation multitask. While it does a whole lot of good for your skin, it's BB, CC, and full coverage foundation in one that helps even out your skin tone, reduce redness, smooth texture, and brighten your overall skin. With the sunny days ahead, SPF 40 will give your skin a layer of protection from sun damage whenever you need to wear it. It's lightweight, buildable, and lasts all day. Our skin looks even and going out after hours of wear. About the brand. Created by former Power Rangers villainess Jennifer Jen. This superfood fueled line of powerful skincare celebrates diversity and beauty and empowers women to pursue their passions. Can't wait to try this. I'm hoping that the shade matches. Ooh, it's squirting out everywhere. Kind of squirted out everywhere on me. I don't normally do a full coverage, especially in my day-to-day life. I do when I'm on camera. But my day-to-day, I usually do like a tinted moisture CC cream. So it's interesting that it has the CC and the BC cream built into it. So that's kind of, it's not that bad. You could build it up if you wanted to. And I think the shade will actually be pretty close for me. I mean, what do you guys think? I think it'll work out really well. I can't wait to try this guy out. So I loved everything in here. I mean, you guys, 20, 6, and those were your full size products. This is considered a mini size, but still even the mini retails for $20. Full size is like $68 on this guy. Love this. I've loved everything that I've tried from Wander Beauty. This one I really like. I already have it, so I'd really want you guys to try it out as well. This is the only one that's going to be a pass for me, and it's just basically the shade that it came in. So what did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys are doing to kind of be creative while you're at home. Because I'm a creative person. That's how I, get my energy from. A lot of times when I'm really creative. And so let me know what you guys are doing while you guys are kind of stuck at home during all of this. Like playing with makeup, so that's a plus for me. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet too, it really means the world to me when you guys like and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button twice. It'll turn on the notifications for you, and then make sure that you click that you want it to receive all notifications. That way you know when I upload a new video. YouTube will now go ahead and enter a couple little pictures for you to click on, and that'll take you to different videos of mine. If you haven't watched them, go for it. It helps me out a lot, and I'm trying to build up my watch time hours right now. So if you have the time, go for it and check them out. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day, and please stay safe out there. Bye.